Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4x4 with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It's running good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. This one has the XLT package. Tow hooks up front. Fixed running boards. Painted alloy wheels, tow package, and it has a bed liner and a bed cover. All right, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have gray fabric seats, rubber floor mats, just out of the VIN right here. And this seat 6 and that center console could flip down to turn into an armrest console, or flip up like that to seat 6. So you look down here, you're gonna see that it has 22,414 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your trip computer and your cruise control, push to talk, and stereo controls. Come over here, you've got your ignition, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering. You also have trailering mode right there. And then down here you have additional power supplies. And we're going to turn this down a little bit more so you can hear me. And you do have a 110 volt outlet right there. Very cool. Coming over here for your audio, you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. There's your backup camera. It's HD with steering guides. Okay, and then you have your dual glove compartments. And then up here, you have your map reading lights and glasses holder. And that about wraps it up for this F-250 on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the back. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.